Hi friends, welcome back. So in this video, I will be discussing about what are the important regression testing challenges in agile methodology. So I will be discussing about different challenges which we normally face during agile testing, especially while doing regression testing. So let us move on to understand what are those different challenges. The first challenge, especially in agile project, is in agile the requirements are updating more frequently from sprint on sprint basis. We have no clue which requirements will get pushed to the next sprint or which user story will newly come inside to the next sprint or to the current sprint also. With this situation, it is very difficult to handle, especially the automation strategy for the regression testing. If there is a change in this overall scope of requirements, then the strategy will also get impacted. So that is the first challenge which we normally face as part of the regression testing. The second challenge which we normally face in agile here is, especially if you are using the traditional tools, if you are using the traditional tools for doing regression, then sometimes it may not be feasible in agile. Normally traditional tools such as record and playback or traditional tools such as UI tools, normally the UI application will be available only at the end of the release, because for a given sprint on sprint basis we may not get complete UI elements. Now we cannot wait for the implementation of the complete UI to bring the automation. Now we need to choose alternative way of doing automation. Either we'll have to go through API testing or we'll have to do certain other way of doing automation in order to cope up the regression suit. The third challenge which we face is, especially the regression suit becomes large and large as we move on from one release to another release and also one sprint to another sprint, because the regression suits will get increased over the period. Then maintaining this complete huge set of regression testing is also a huge task for the testers. Fourth challenge is, especially with the given the communication gaps across all the stakeholders, especially if the testing team is not involved with all the discussions. Either it could be POs, PMs, BAs, developer, and so on. If testers are not involved in all the communications, then if there is a gap in the communication, definitely the major impact will be happening for the testing team, and also it will impact the regression testing as well. In order to avoid this, good communication across all the teams so that everybody will be on the same page, that would help us to update the regression test cases appropriately. That would help us to put the right regression testing strategy, and that would help us to keep updating the regression test cases as and when something is getting modified in the functionality. If there is a change in the functionality, then we'll be updating regression test cases also appropriately. That would help us to sync the regression test cases as per the developer's code. These are the four very critical and important challenges which we normally observe as part of the regression testing challenges for agile teams. I hope you guys got a clear idea now. If you guys really like this video, then please give a thumbs up to this video. If you guys are not subscribed to this channel, then do subscribe and click on bell icon so that all our future videos will be in your inbox. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.